Today we got a video from Body Cam Stories, and the title of the video is Fake ID and Stolen Credit Card Used for $11.5 thousand Rolex.
What happened? Were you working as like a cashier at the time?
Yeah, I was a salesperson today, so he came to the store and he says that he's looking to buy a Rolex Digest, and then I show him a couple options, and he liked the Submariner stainless steel. I told him the price 11,500 before taxes, and he was agree with this.
He agreed with it?
Yeah.
He didn't try to negotiate or anything?
He didn't try to negotiate at all. He even says that he can pay the fees.
Before we even get started, man, don't ladies, let me know, but typically don't you guys, if you guys are gonna decide not to wear a bra, don't you guys put them little circle, like, I don't know, sticker things to cover the, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about, man. So that way, if it's cold or get aroused and you start poking, it ain't just poking through your shirt. You know what I mean? Like, I'm sorry. This is the first thing that I'm drawn to. I'm like, damn, what the hell? I don't know, man. I guess you got to sell that jewelry somehow, but golly.
Options, and he liked the Submariner stainless steel. I told him the price 11,500 before taxes, and he was agree with this.
He agreed with it?
Yeah.
He didn't try to negotiate or anything?
He didn't try to negotiate at all. He even says that he can pay the fees for the card, which is 3%, and he was agreed to pay the tax. Sometimes people are negotiate because they don't want, like, they want a better price. And he didn't negotiate at all. Yeah, and then I asked him ID and his card, which he is willing to pay.
And he provided
these two items right here. And then when I was trying to scan it with the barcode here, it didn't scan, and the ID looks weird by my opinion.
Yeah, it doesn't look real.
So that's why I'm starting to text to my boss and ask what to do, and he says that I should ask his date of birth. So I did ask it, and it was correct. He then on the address he say everything good, but his zip code was wrong, and I have feelings that he read on the phone what he has. So probably he hold the phone at this moment, and probably he read it like this. So
he held his phone?
Yeah, so when I ask his questions like what is your date of birth, he holding the phone, so probably he can see that.
Look, even the cop getting distracted. Look, come on, you know what she said, man. You know what she said. She said that he was looking at his phone, so it was kind of looking like he was kind of reading off the phone or trying to get it off the phone, man. You know what she said, man. You talking about, say it again. You distracted, nigga. You distracted, man.
Probably he hold the phone at this moment, and probably he read it like this. So
he held his phone?
Yeah, so when I ask his questions like what is your date of birth, he holding the phone, so probably he can see that.
Like he was reading something?
He was reading something, so I'm not sure. That's why I was confused, and I wasn't sure that it's his ID. Today is the second time a day that somebody trying to scam us, so we decided to call you. And then he asked his ID back when I was in the back, and he decided to run away from the store.
He ran away?
Yeah, and
when you went to the back?
Yeah, when I went to the back, my boss was there, and
that's the boss.
Yes, that's the boss, and he say he's opened the door for him because he can't like hold the customers there, and then he ran away to the CVS.
And he just left this behind?
Yeah, he left all his.
And then he just ran that way?
Yeah. That's what my boss told me. He go to this Federal and turn left, and then go to the CVS, I guess.
And that was the last time you saw him when he ran away?
Yeah.
Okay. So anything else to add? So he was just trying to buy the Rolex, correct?
When he came, I was outside of the store, and I saw him, and he says that he's looking to buy Rolex, and he had a white bag Inside of the bag, I saw another dark blue bag with a Rolex box inside. So
Sure.
he told me that he already bought the watch in other store, and he's looking for a Datejust here.
Okay.
I'm not sure if it was an empty box or he already scammed somebody.
Yeah. Okay. I appreciate it. Can you just raise your right hand? Alina, do you swear everything you told me was the truth, nothing but the truth
Yes.
in the statement? Okay, you can put your hand down. That concludes.
Based on the information provided by store employees, officers learned that the suspect left the area and entered a nearby CVS. Patrol units responded to that location, where Boca Raton police were able to locate and apprehend him without further incident.
He was
Open the
still
door.
at the CVS.
You over at the pawn shop?
Wow.
No, I wasn't at no pawn. I was in CVS.
All right, come on out. Come on out.
I wasn't in no pawn shop,
you're
boss.
detained. Hey, you're detained right now.
What am I detained
Oh,
for?
he almost got
Explain everything to you
away.
in a second. Right now, you're being detained. All right. All right. Huh? Yeah, we're good. Yeah, I
What
figured.
I'm being detained for, boss?
For fraud over at the pawn shop.
I wasn't-
Hold on, whoa. We're gonna do a hey, listen, man. They saw you walk in there. X-ray 33. I got a mail to them from CVS.
Oh, he tried to call an Uber and get up out of there, huh? Not
We're gonna sit
today.
over here, all right?
What am I being detained for?
I just told you. You listening?
This is crazy, boss.
Alright.
I don't know what about no pawn shop.
Huh? Well, that's what we're gonna find out, man. Sit down.
You know he don't listen too
Got
well.
anything on you?
It's my phone, man.
What's your phone? All right. What's your first name? What is your first name?
Kevin.
Don't lie to me.
Huh?
Huh? Don't lie to me about your name.
Huh?
You want to try it again?
Huh?
I don't understand what I'm being detained for, boss.
For fraud at the pawn shop.
I wasn't doing anything. at the
Okay,
pawn
listen.
shop.
One thing. 37. Can you get the witness on board for a shot? Kevin. Last name?
Godfrey, G-O-D.
G-O-D.
F-R-E-Y.
Your birthday?
Huh?
Your birthday?
6/14.
Hey, let's get you out of the sun. What is it?
Why you keep saying huh, man? Stop lying, man. You lying. You giving fake name, date of birth. You giving all that's fake, man. Cause the huh is you heard what he said, man. You trying to come up with something.
6/14/99. Can you get me up?
Yeah, 1 second. 6/14/99.
99.
There's a little shade over here. No. Got some crib right here. All right, we're gonna do a show up real quick. All right, just pop a squat. Let me help you down. Sit down.
Man, boss.
Huh?
I really don't understand.
All right, they're gonna explain everything to you in a minute. All right.
Well,
You match the
understand this. You
description of
going to
someone else. You do a
jail.
fraud over at the pawn shop. All right, they saw you walk in here, right? Blue jeans, white t-shirt with a beard, right? You come out, you hop in an Uber. I just have to do my job. What? Do
He
you have a
almost got
license?
away.
I don't have a license on me.
No, but do you have one issued to you
Yeah, it's from New York.
from New York? Listen, man, when you lie, that's a crime.
Alright, I understand.
All right, so listen, let's just do this, right? Watch it. You see this, the Kevin Godfrey thing? Let's start this over again.
Yeah.
All right. What's your first name is Godfrey?
Godfrey, yeah.
And spell your last name.
A-R-I-S-T-I-L.
A-R-I-S-T-I-L.
T-I-L.
And do you have a middle name?
Huh?
Do you have a middle name?
Casto, C-A-S-T-I-L.
With a C? Is your birthday 6/14/99?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, can you 23 with him? I just gotta make sure my car's locked.
Huh?
Sorry, I don't know what it is. It's all good. I don't know what the catch. Hey, you're not using your phone, man. All right. And there's the black hoodie they said you were wearing.
So what are we waiting for now?
The officer to finish up over at the pawn shop to come over here and talk to you because you got a lot of questions for you, man. Where do you normally live? In New York?
New York, yeah.
So you're down here visiting?
You know how long this is gonna take?
I would say maybe 20 more minutes. Yeah.
You wouldn't be able to sit down on no seats or anything like that?
I can't bring you over to there because they probably don't. Oh, just because it says Brooklyn, you're from Brooklyn, man. We can't just.
I didn't even see it said Brooklyn. I
Yeah.
just wanted to sit down.
Let me see if I get it. Yeah, let's head over there. You grab that. Good, damn, that's a big one.
Make them sit on the ground, man. What the hell? Sit in no chair. What do you think this is?
Hopefully they wrap it up soon, man. It's time to eat. Godfrey, we're waiting on somebody to come with the fingerprint scanner. Do you have a license on you? Not in your bag, not in your pocket? All right. We just have to confirm while we're waiting that you are who you say you are, right? Since you don't have your ID. And then we're still waiting on them to finish up over there.
I don't have a prior record out here though. So.
No, what about in New York? You ever been arrested?
When I was a teenager.
Teenager? All right.
Have you ever been arrested? Probably. You know if you've been arrested before or not.
Walk over there. This is my car right here. We'll do it right here. All right. What all did you say you had in your pockets?
Nothing.
Nothing. Well, you had something. Remember? What was
My
it?
hotel key card.
Was that like a hug? Was it some weed?
No, it's no weed in there. It's rubber. Tobacco.
It's not a big deal if you do after you get arrested.
I have no weed on me.
All right.
Hotel key card.
Jeez. Turn it. Oh, yeah. Thumbprint.
You gotta hold. Give your left finger.
Travel 35. Click on for a visa on alert and enroll for a annual meeting party and August.
I think he's lying about his identity.
Where, like down here? They didn't have these back in the day. There you go. Just making sure you don't leave them.
Travel 37.
You smoke this?
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, okay. That's right. What do you call it? Like a spliff? Huh? No, hey? Alright. Whoop, 1 second. Can I call you back in 30 seconds? Yeah, alright, bye. Alright. You're under arrest, okay? For fraudulent use of ID. So you're gonna come with us, alright? This is my car here. What's gonna happen now is you're gonna get transported back to the police department. Alright. Where you're gonna be interviewed over there, okay? Alright. You could I guess in the back. Click it or ticket, man. There you go. Hold on a second. No, I'm taking them back now. Yeah, hang on 1 second. Oh crap. Hey, can you turn my camera on in there? He had this in his pocket, an American Express. So I'm gonna put this separate.
According to police, officers later found Aristotle in possession of a Georgia driver's license under a different name bearing his photograph. Investigators determined the license was invalid. An American Express card under the same name was also flagged as suspicious. During a conversation with police, Aristotle stated that a friend created both the fake identification and the fraudulent credit card and instructed him to attempt to purchase a Rolex watch. Aristotle has since been accused of possessing a stolen credit card, fraudulent use of a credit card, possession of another person's identification without consent, and possession of a forged or stolen driver's license. For more real police body cam footage, subscribe to Body Cam.
Unbelievable. Crazy, man. Doing all that to buy a Rolex, and then you're gonna run out the store? Like, come on, man. And not only that, you ain't even gotta get a getaway ride. You gotta wait and hide out in another store and wait for the Uber to come. Good thing they got there just in time. and dragged him up out of that Uber. Now that's good timing. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's great timing. That's not good timing. That's great timing. Man, this guy is lost cause, man. Lost cause. You going to jail. It's not that difficult, man. Just be on. It's, you know, we see these body cam videos, and you may think that it's hard for people to not go to jail. Think about that. Some people think that it's hard to not go to jail. Listen, I've lived I'm 32 now. I've lived 32 years. Never went to jail, man. As a criminal. As a criminal, all right? but yeah, man. It's not that hard to stay on the straight and narrow. I say that to say this. It's not that hard to stay on the straight and narrow, man. You know, when you do have police contact, because almost everybody is going to have police contact at some point. But, you know, treat them with respect, give respect, handle the business, whatever, traffic ticket, whatever it is. That's it. No big deal, man. But whatever. People love going to jail. They must love it. Anyways, cops get a 5. And I'll catch you in the next video. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.